Talking spoon with nature. I'm Gary. There's an old saying that in the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king. Now, I'm not even sure how that's going to relate to this, but it's a pretty cool saying. So today's project is we're making a squirrel roaster. Really handy. It's got multiple uses. One end's got a nice little fork. You can stick a chicken on there, squirrel, rabbit, slab of meat, bannock bread would be nice. I'm not sure how it's going to work on pancakes yet. That seems like that's going to be a challenge. The other end has a nice little hook on it, as you can see. Ta-da! And what that allows, you can hang the coffee pot, the stew pot. They can even hang a lantern around camp in the evening. The second part, and the equally important part, is the stake. You can see here it's got about a 1/2 inch hole, about a 30-degree bend on the neck, and a nice sharp point right in the ground. So once it's assembled, as this is, it's the weight that holds it in place. That's the purpose of the angle. To be able to rotate that, you lift it up and you turn it, and you can fine tune whatever it is that you're cooking. So, a very handy thing. I got a video, and we'll go through the process of how I fabricated this out of one piece of steel. So that's important. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, girl. Right, Billy.
So, sit on me.
That's right there, Billy.
Wait.
This at the very top of the food chain. They eat everything. The herd is desperate to cross the river quickly. Coming up, in the wild, narwhal uses its shell to protect itself. Why hide in the wild like that? Teeth get past this animal's natural defense. Find out next.
There you go. Everybody has the footage now. Everybody can make their own squirrel rooster. And I did a little checking around here without being too weird. I'm the only one that owns an operating squirrel rooster, and I'm feeling pretty good about my life choices at this point. Yeah. So I'm going to be putting this in action pretty soon. I'll share some video of that. And thank you for watching. This is Spoon with Nature.